Hey guys, good morning. So today is Monday and it's already 7 a.m. I'm about to attend my first class, which is an online class. Dito na ako attend sa dorm ko, but I plan to leave after. So yeah, I'm going to Regis. I'm gonna attend my class first. So baka mag-strike na lang ako papasok since I'll be meeting sila Felix sa day off. I'm gonna start doing some tasks kasi nagbigay na activity yung prof ko kanina. I wanna finish it as soon as possible so I can adhere to the schedule I created last night. Let's start working. Hello, nasa Ateneo na ako. Nag-break na ako. There's chess. Meeting muna kami, then we'll grab lunch.
It's yellowing.
Match is so bright. Nakakagulat naman to. Lunch na ako. I bought garlic mushroom. So, pumasok lang kami sa random classroom. Kasama ko sila Zay. Magre-review na muna kami. I'll talk to you guys later. Yes. Pupunta kami ng golf courts, mainly para ihatid si Lovely sa PE niya, which is swimming. Pa-practice din kami ng volleyball later. Hey guys, so I'm currently in the ladies' dressing room, and as far as I can remember, it's almost 4 p.m. and I have a class at 5 p.m. so I'm planning to leave at any moment now. It's like a huge mirror here. Share ko lang. Okay, see you later. So I got dismissed really early. It's wala pang 6 p.m. and ang dismissal namin is usually 6:30 or 6:20. Hey guys, good morning. So today is Tuesday and it's already 7:40 a.m. and I have a meeting at 8 a.m. but since it's hybrid, I'm just gonna attend here. Today is gonna be a super busy day for me. My on-site class starts at 1 p.m. but I'm gonna be going to school a little bit early. I have to finish some stuff.
Na-miss ko yung camera mo.
Hi, Mommy! Hi, siblings! If you're watching. Hello, siblings! Ito yung a day in my life. Hi, siblings! Ate, sabi mo ititreat mo ako ng lunch. Ano na? Ate,
But sa vlog, quick update. I'm still working on something every day, apparently. Anyway, nag-announce yung PhilStar. Like, there's an article that says suspended yung on-site classes because of the heat index. Kasi pumatak na 42 degrees Celsius yung temperatures. Wala pa announcement yung Ateneo, so we don't know what to do. Hello guys, update. Wala na akong ginagawa. Naghahanap ang participants, pero baka gusto niyo mag-participate. Nag-post na naman ng article yung Philippine Star. Heat-proof ang college students kasi only public schools, elementary and high school levels ang mag-switch to online mode.
Hello!
Nasa isang trike kami.
At mainit pa rin.
Sobra. Punta na kami ng campus.
Nag-strike kami para hindi mainit. Pero mainit pa rin.
Pupunta kami ng Regis. Kakatapos lang namin maglaro. And we won. Talo sila.
Yes, talo kami.
Pero we won.
Pero,
Sige. Good morning, guys. So today is Wednesday and it's already 7:40. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog yesterday because I was so tired from the play. Mas meron pa pala kaming finals on Friday. Ang priority ko today is to attend the forum. Hopefully, hindi ma-cancel yung classes because isa-isa nang magka-cancel yung universities. But if ever na-suspend yung classes today, we're gonna be forced to do the forum online, which is kind of difficult. Anyway, I'm gonna be editing the vlog first this morning. Then I'm gonna eat my breakfast. Tapos I'll head to campus. So, nasa long haul na ako, but I was too early. Good thing nandito na yung blockmates ko, so they're helping me open up the long haul. We're on the way to the doghouse. So, mag-i-Egypt na kami. Nagbago na yung stop and pickup points. Pupunta kami dun sa pickup point right now. Hello, the forum is done and kakahatid lang namin dun sa speaker. We're going back to the venue to finish up. Change of actually, walang nag-change sa plans ko. Magdi-dinner pa rin ako outside. Sa Shakey's kami magdi-dinner. Kasama ko si Lovely. Naiwan ko yung flask ko dun sa auditorium. Ito binalikan ko pa. So, see you guys sa Shakey's. Hello guys. So, good morning. It's already 7:50 and I'm gonna be late. So, aalis na ako. I'll see you guys on campus. So, I got dismissed pretty late kasi kailangan pa namin magpa-consult for the final orals. I'm heading to Gons and ang gulo ng hair ko. Mag-restroom muna. So, nasa JSEC ulit ako. Sasakay na ako ng Egypt. Papunta na yung hall kasi super init. This, I'll meet Felix at Tectile. Sat there for like 30 minutes. I literally just saw the line in Egypt pass me by. Super puno. I'm just gonna walk. Hello! Nasa Tectite na ako. Si Felix nandito. Pati si Zay. Nihintay namin yung order namin for lunch. It's currently 11. Nag-chill muna tapos we'll work na. We got Tomo from outside. Quick run kasi super init sa labas. Had to get back sa dorm to get a hoodie kasi sobrang lamig naman dito sa loob. Kung anong kinainit sa labas, yung kinalamig dito. I might attend my last class here. Mamaya ako na lang din naiintindihan yung deadline. We will procrastinate. Felix got a new drink. Anong drink yan?
Iced chocolate.
Masarap siya. Tinignan ko. Hindi ako mahilig sa chocolate pero masarap. Try nyo guys. Yung Tomo sa labas ng Ateneo.
Hindi sa loob.
Good morning guys. Today is Friday and it's already past 9 AM and I woke up late. But I'm gonna prepare because I'm gonna attend my class at 1 PM. So I'll just see you guys on campus. Hello! Papasok na kami sa... Yun talaga yung first ano nyo sa vlog ko, mainit. But papunta na kami ng Cov Courts kasi mag-PE na kami. Guys, quick update. Anong oras na? 5:19 na. Tapos na kaming mag-PE. Papunta naman kami ngayon sa CTC. Nagpapalamig lang kami. Hello guys, so nasa Ateneo pa rin ako. Kasama ko sila, nasa room kami dito sa CTC building. Tambay lang siguro saglit before we head home and do some stuff.